Hey, this is Dr. Khanna, and I want to let you know I'm in love with these brand new drops from Optase. And I'll open the container and tell you why. Now, these are specially for dry eyes, and this is breakthrough technology. Unlike other drops, this has a special pump mechanism, and we remove the top, and the drops are inside in a bag. So till you pump and prime, nothing comes out. And when it comes out, it comes only a drop at a time. So all those other bottles, we see so much wastage, so much we have to compress, and then we are worried about touching. So here, because it's in a bag, it's so not dangerous that if you touch it accidentally. That's why these drops can last for 6 months, unlike normal, which are for 1 month. And once you prime it, this is a brand new bottle, so you'll have to prime more, and you see the first drop coming. I'll just put it and show you. So exactly one drop falls out, and it's so cooling and refreshing. Working through microscopes, slit lamps, and on highlights, dry eyes cause a lot of optical aberrations for me, and my eyes dry out frequently because I'm hiking in Southern California. So this drop, which you can buy from eyes.com, that is IAYEZ.com, has proven to be pretty good. Optase Hylo Relief. Thank you.